Different types of reports can be generated and exported from ExpressMarine model. When the top level is selected in the project tree, multiple tabs will be shown in the middle panel of the window. In the Bill of Material list tab you'll see 3 panes. Plates, containing the total area of the plate parts and summary area by thickness and material type. Stiffeners, with the total length of all stiffeners and summary length by profile stock. And pillars, with the similar information. Bills of material can be filtered by the material type. Copy BOM list button allows to copy all bills of material, to be pasted later to Excel sheet. Various properties of the model members and groups can be also exported to CSV file or Excel sheet. This can be done in the Export to Excel CSV tab. Reports can be generated for user-defined or calculated weight groups. There are 2 export levels. Main, which reports summary for the groups of objects and detail, reporting properties of all parts in the project. The number of decimals can be set as well. Report can be exported to a CSV file, tabs or commas delimited, or to Excel sheet. If Open File after Export checkbox is activated, Excel file will be opened automatically. Included field settings allow user to select which properties to be reported and in which order. To generate the report in the desired format, just click the Export to CSV or Export to Excel button.